Hi, welcome to Module 4. In this module, you are going to be learning about the integumentary system. And when you hear that term integumentary system, that means your skin. So in this module, of course, you've got your textbook readings and you also have your additional supplements to help you out with learning the material. And of course, you always have me if you need help with anything. Now, due this week on Connect is the Lab Practical 1, the Lab Exercise, and Module 4 quiz. The Connect assignments, that Lab Practical, do that first before you do the Lab Exercise and Module 4 quiz. And that's only because of the fact that this material is not on the lab practicals. So it's just going to cover modules 1 through 3. So take it first and then complete those other assignments in there. The other assignment that is due this week is the functional changes due to pathology, and we're going to take a look at that. So with this assignment, is a continuation for your final paper that will be turned in Module 7. And in this one, what you're going to be doing is take that disease from Module 2, and now you're going to look at how that disease impacts the organs in that particular system. So you're going to discuss any changes to the organs in that system. The tissues, this is where students fail to do the correct thing on this, and that is the tissues and the cells. It's like the tissues and the cells are just completely forgotten, and we're just going to talk about the organs. So discuss any impact it may have on that particular tissue. So just to give you an example of this, because this is something that you can't cover. If you were talking about cirrhosis of the liver, you've got to discuss the tissues in that liver and what it is doing to the tissues in the liver. So it is changing it from that normal, it's turning it into a scar tissue. And then the cell populations in there. So you've got your hepatocytes in the liver. What is it doing to the hepatocytes in the liver? So you got to make sure that you are discussing those two portions of this paper. And then, of course, your citations and your works cited. The works cited has to be at least one primary and one secondary. A primary is going to be research, literature, so like journal articles, and then a secondary would be something that is educational or website, or it could be your textbook. And of course, make sure that you put them in APA format to make sure that those APA formatting is correct, because this is an easy 4 points right here. Just make sure that you use the link that I've provided you, which is right above this video. And that link is going to take you to a free citation generator that is going to be in APA format. Once you do that, you make sure that it's in the format and you get those easy points. I don't want you to miss points for that. And if you want to make sure that you are getting the maximum points for this portion of it, I don't know why I moved that, this portion of it, then go through it. That's where you'll take a look at it and make sure that you're getting everything in that portion of the paper that you need to. If you have any questions about this as you are working through it or any of the material at all in this module, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you. Good luck on this module, and I will see you in Module 5.